The other welcome change that I noticed and I wish they made a bigger change is we now have a wider outer display. Compared to a standard smartphone display, it is still quite narrow, but for the first time, for someone who's 6'3" with big hands, I can actually type on this display fairly comfortably. Again, I wish it was wider. It's still not gonna be as comfortable as a proper widescreen display, but what we have here is just about optimal. The best advantage of this display is that you're able to have a better one-handed grip on this. I won't ever use the outer display to watch media or anything because Samsung still wants you to treat this as a covered screen so that it invites you to open and use the new and improved inner display, which now has a whopping 2600 nits of brightness. This is a great screen with an under display camera, so you get a full, limitless experience. I like this display for watching media. When it comes to Netflix and YouTube, the experience is great. And same thing goes when it comes to playing games, especially the emulator games, because a big screen means you have more of a comfortable use of those on-screen controls. I haven't had any performance issues. It feels really good and smooth thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. But what I really love this display for is actually multitasking. This is the only phone on the market that I would use for split screen multitasking on daily basis, just because the display is big enough so I can comfortably use multiple apps. You can literally use 2 social media apps comfortably without any issue. Now, while Samsung has improved the crease on this display thanks to the new hinge mechanism, it's still visible from certain angles, so it's definitely there, not gone, but honestly, it doesn't bother me at all.